Okay. We went to the range Saturday with Dylan and Martin and everybody. You know, when Kenji was here. I just noticed this when I was submitting my stuff to FN to get it fixed. Is that a cracked frame? Yeah, that is a cracked frame. I have no idea what happened. It slides to the rear. You know, if you look inside, you know, everything looks decent. But, you know, the internals, when you get inside here, though, like inside, right and down here, nothing is in place. Nothing's in place. I don't think he shot like, what, 10 rounds out of it? Maybe? I don't think he even got more than 5 rounds, really. But, whatever it was, like my slide won't even, the firing pin won't even come back. Won't come back. You know, like supposed to like stick to the rear and all that. But there's, I'm trying to get a better picture of it. I'm trying to get the light on it. So there's the, there you go. The light right here. I don't know, guys. I mean, that's it. But cracked frame. So I'm guessing it's got to be like an overpressure thing. Definitely overpressure. I don't know why. What else would even, like a 10 mil wouldn't even fit in here. Nothing fits into a 9 mil besides a 9 mil. Maybe the 380, but it's a smaller. That just sucks. That sucks because I love this gun. I love this pistol. This is the BB gun, paperweight.